Hey, period 2. Now I'm just going to provide a refresher on adding integers. Integers, remember, are positive and negative numbers. I know you don't have my number line at home to help you with this, so I'm going to show you how to make one on your paper. You, of course, can always Google an image of a number line as well. It doesn't really matter to me how you solve these as long as you're trying it without a calculator. All right, so my first problem says -4 plus -3. I'm going to go ahead and plot -4 in my number line, and I know -4 is smaller than 0, so I'm going to plot it in the negative sign. Now remember, we always would talk about I'm starting negative, I'm giving you, or you're starting negative, I'm giving you, adding more negativity, so you know you're going to become more negative. All right, so you're starting in a bad mood. I'm going to give you more homework, so you're going to become more negative. So if I'm going to become more negative, that makes me realize I'm going to have to move in the negative direction, not in the positive direction. So I'm going to move in the negative direction 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. Now I just got to figure out what that number is. If this is -4, this one's going to be -5. -6, and my answer must be this line right here, which would be -7. So -4 plus -3 makes -7. Now what would happen if one of our numbers is positive and the other is negative? So you're starting positive. I am giving you more negative things, so I'm giving you more homework. What's going to happen to your mood? If I'm giving you more negative things, you're going to become more negative. So that tells me my answer is going to be more negative than 7. I'm going to go ahead and plot 7 on the positive end of my number line because 7 is positive. I'm just picking a spot for it. And since I'm getting more negative, that tells me I'm going in the negative direction, and I'm going to go ahead and move 3 spots. So 7, 1, 2, 3. So now I just got to figure out what this line would be. If this one's 7, this would be 6, 5, 4. Where I ended up would be my answer. So 7 plus -3 is 4. I said my answer was going to be more negative than 7, and 7 is more negative, or sorry, 4 is more negative than 7. Okay, last example says a -5 plus 2. I see I'm starting negative, and I'm giving, or you're starting negative, and I'm giving you some positive vibes. I'm giving you some more treats. I wish I could give you treats. Maybe more free time at home. All right, so I know if I'm giving you more positive things, my answer should be more positive than -5. So let's plot -5 on our number line. Since -5 is negative, I'm going to plot it in the negative side of 0. And then I have to go positive 2 spots. So I'm going to go in the positive direction. 1, 2. Now I just got to figure out what number this would be. If this is -5, this spot right here would be -4. This one would be -3. So my answer is -3. Let me know if you need some more help on adding with integers.